Welcome everyone. Today I am here with few multiple choice questions with answer on capsule dosage form. Now the first question is isoelectric pH of gelatin B is 3.9, 10, 4.7, 9. The correct answer is 4.7. Regarding this, isoelectric pH of gelatin A is 9. Next question. Iron content in soft gelatin capsule should be less than 25 parts per million, should be less than 20 parts per million, should not more than 15 parts per million, should be within 15 to 25 parts per million. The correct answer is C, that is should not more than 15 parts per million. Next question. Weight capacity of capsule number 2 is 450 milligram, 200 milligram, 250 milligram, 300 milligram. Here the correct answer is 250 milligram. Next question. The apparatus used to sort out filled and unfilled capsules. Options are rotofill, rotosort, acofill, qualisil. Here the correct answer is rotosort. And rotofill is the term used to fill pellets into capsule. Acofill is the term used to fill powder into capsule. And qualisil is the term used to fill liquids into capsule. Next question. Green bones, that is fresh bones, are used for the preparations of gelatin of the type D, C, A, B. The correct option is gelatin B, that is option D. Next question. Which is ideal combination for testing the solubility of an enteric coated capsules in alkaline medium? Options are sodium bicarbonate plus potassium hydroxide plus pepsin, sodium bicarbonate plus pancreatine plus sodium tauroglycolate, sodium bicarbonate plus sodium tauroglycolate plus papain, sodium bicarbonate plus bilirubin. The correct option is B, that is sodium bicarbonate plus pancreatine plus sodium tauroglycolate. Next question. How much moisture content present in soft gelatin capsule? Options are 50 to 55%, 14 to 12 to 14%, 6 to 10%, 8 to 12%. The correct answer is 6 to 10%. Next question. Finished capsules require some sort of dusting and or polishing, and the methods are pan polishing, cloth dusting, brushing, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Next question. The value of bloom strength ranges from 100 to 150 gram, 150 to 250 gram, 150 to 200 gram, 200 to 300 gram. The correct answer is 150 to 250 gram. Here bloom strength is also known as gel strength, and it is the measure of the cohesive strength of the cross-linking that occurs between gelatin molecules and is proportional to the molecular weight of the gelatin, and it is the measurement in gram required to move a plastic plunger that is 0.5 inches in diameter, 4 millimeter into a 6.67% gelatin gel that has been held at 10 degrees Celsius for 17 hours. Next question. During gelatin preparation, gelatin is chilled at a temperature of 7 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is 7 degrees Celsius. That is option A. Next question. The moisture content of the capsule shell is determined by toluene distillation method, benzene distillation method, phenol distillation method, none of these. The correct answer is toluene distillation method. Next question. Disintegration time of soft gelatin capsule. The options are 60 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 90 minutes. The correct option is 60 minutes. If it is hard gelatin capsule, then the disintegration time will be 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. The MCQ series of other tests are available in the description section. Thank you for watching.